Welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. Today we have a 2005 Chevy Avalanche. Wow, that's a beautiful car. We have a problem of misfire. Check engine light is on. The car, we are not able to pass the inspection. So let's see what causing the misfire and what is the possibility of this problem. By the way, please subscribe, share and like. And let us know if we can help you, or if you have any question, and if we will be able to give you some answer. Feel free, please, to ask your question, and we will do our best to give you the answer. Today, this car here, it have a lot of issue, especially on misfire. It caused by coils, by cylinder head, valve cover, even O2 sensor. So let's see what's going on, and we come back. I'm going to use a Tech 2 machine, which is designed to only for GM, General Motors, Chevy, and it is very accurate. It is up to 2013. After 2013, GM changed from Tech 2 to GDS. So let's go and check this car and see what. We have the check engine light on. I connect this machine here. I'm gonna connect directly because this is 2004. We don't need GMC use this one, Isuzu use this one, Saab use these tools. The only difference is they have to open here in the top and they change the card. So Isuzu use a different card, GM using a different card, Saab also using a different card, but the same Tech 2. It is from the older cars, OBD1, all the way to 2013, where GM changed the platform from Tech 2 to, like, from 2006, there was like the communication line is like one communication line. Then GMC for the speed and the technology of the module, because the more speed you have on communication between module, the more accuracy and specification you get. So the Tech 2 or the first GM, you use one wire to communicate with all control module, and you see information going to one wire, it could be a little bit slow. So they come up with CAN system. The CAN system, when they come up with it, you know, every time you upgrade your computer, you need to you upgrade the car, you need to upgrade the computer. So you say, you know what, we have a CAN system come up, and we are use this one here to communicate with the regular. What are we going to do? They say, you know, we cannot change the whole system. Chrysler was changing it every year, new. Star Mobile, Star Scan, we take mini part, all this. GM say, I'm not going to change this one here. I am going to add something else. So on the OBD2 here, as you see, they disconnect this one here. They took this OBD2 and they introduced something called CAN system or CAN system. This one, another add, they added on to enable them to communicate with those cars from 2004, 5, 6, where they put a CAN system. A CAN system is a faster communication line, that the communication between computer to computer is happening between two wires. One is CAN high, one is CAN low, to transfer information and signal between module. With this one here, they're using it up to 2013. Then they come up with a laptop base. That means you have a laptop and they come with MDI1 and MDI2. Till today, they have MDI1, MDI2 with a laptop base, which you can do programming, diagnosis, troubleshooting up to 2020. If you're using a pass-through device that is not belong to the car or not approved, you will not be able to communicate with some modules. So this is a Tech 2. I'm going to try to click enter, diagnosis, and with this Tech 2 up to 2007. Programming is 2007. Not long time ago, you're gonna have a laptop and a serial data communication, Ethernet communication from here in the laptop, they will send you a CD. That CD is every programming, every update, you have it in your CD. If you are keeping that CD up to date, you will be able to program those cars up to 2007-8 without paying $40 subscription for that car, but you will not get up to date. If there is a fix for this car, you're not gonna get that update. Wherever you have it, there you have it. If you're using Test to Web AC Delco software, you will be able to program all new cars and everything with a new update. Like yesterday, I have a guy with a car P0300 and that need an update. It was Chevy Malibu 2016, and we were able to get an update. So now let's go ahead and do a diagnosis. If you need to program, it's up to 2007. Diagnose is up to 2013. So I'm gonna click here. This card is not yet updated, so I have up to 2011 diagnose, but supposed to be 2013. I gotta go to 2004. This is LD truck MPV incomplete. It is a Chevrolet truck, yes, because C. So now I'm gonna go down to get K. And what you need, powertrain. I'm gonna go to engine control module, and then the VIN number is Z as in zebra. If this is a car, I will say yes. 4-button selectable or with traction control. I want to see if I have a 4-button selectable. Is that what they say, or with the traction control? By the way, sometimes you choose. I want to know if this car have a traction control. Definitely supposed to have a traction control. Also, just I want to give you something. If your key giving you hard time like this to turn, sometimes you see, play with it, please replace it. The whole cylinder is cost you like $30. Change it with the key. You don't need even to program it. Just change it. Don't wait till that thing is stuck on you and it's gonna cost you almost $300-400. If you need one like this, let me know, and I have a video how you take it out and change it by yourself. We have a check engine light there one. So 4-button selectable. I will go to that one. This car have a traction control. I don't know, but let me go with 4-button. Diagnose. DTC. DTC. Diagnostic trouble code. P017 fuel trim rich bank 2. Fuel trim rich bank 2. That means it's very, very rich, the fuel trim. Wow. Okay, what next? Engine misfire detected. Good. Now let's see what we can do. And I see the misfire is happening there. I'm gonna go back. You never say what cylinder misfire, but there is a misfire. Okay, I'm gonna go back now. I will go back here and I will go to data. We don't have nothing or a special function. In a special function, it will give us the misfire detect fuel trim. I need to know the fuel trim because the fuel trim is play a big role. Why? Cylinder power balance, fuel injector, fuel trim, reset fuel trim enable. I don't want to do anything like that, but let me see misfire graphic. I want to see, because he say random misfire. Random misfire is not a big misfire that can make the car, or is not a misfire that will trick the checking your light. I mean the which one, but it's gonna be there, but it will not tell the computer. The computer will not lean toward which one. So I'm gonna click OK. Those buttons is just like a cell phone. You can play with it as any way you want. By the way, you need these tools. The functionality of these tools is more bigger and better. For example, if you need to program a car and you have test web, those older car, people who deal with the older cars, you need to change a computer, swap the computer. If you can get a test web, the older test 2000, you can do all the programming, reset stuff, and it will work. So let me go to this one. I'm gonna click enter. This is a misfire. Okay, now you see exactly what cylinder is misfiring. Cylinder number 4, I have a small misfire. Cylinder number 6, I have a small misfire. And cylinder number 2, I have misfire. So our problem here, it look like those 3 cylinders are misfiring a lot. Other than that, there is nothing. So if 4, 6, and 2 misfire, I'm supposed to get 8 also misfire because it's V6 or V8. So I need the other cylinder to misfire, but they don't. So I'm gonna lean toward 2, 6, and 4. What about my O2 sensors? I'm gonna look at that also. That you can go back to the fuel trim exit and just go to fuel system and see how they are working. It doesn't give me anything here. Let me go to data, engine display, Misfire Data, or you can go to O2 sensor to understand what's going on. You see now also cylinder number 2 is misfiring a lot. Number 4 and number 6. Number 6 is sometimes light, and that's where the computer say, you know what, I have a misfire. And then we keep going down because I have 31 bits. You see, that's the history of cylinder misfire. 4, 6, 5 also have a small, but temperature, mass airflow meter sensor, injector bank 1, injector bank 1. They are like opening a lot. The bank 1, they are like and injector bank 2 is like a little less, but they keep compensating, maybe based on the demand. Okay, let me go back and see engine data 2, or just let me see fuel trim. Short trim minus, short trim, bank 1, bank 2, short trim. You see bank 1 is go -1 and come back, minus and come back. Okay, look, long trim, fuel trim bank 1 is 2%, but long trim fuel trim bank 2 is -12. Like it's demanding something. Fuel trim cell 16. Loop is started close. So here in bank 2, it look like there is something is wrong, or it could be okay. You have to compare it what need to be done in this place. I'm not sure, but the O2 sensor, bank 1 and bank 2, which means that the top O2 sensors, let me see how they are doing. The O2 sensor, bank 1, bank 2, they are switching very good. The bank 1 is going from 1 to 7. Bank 2 from 1, they are good. Okay, bank 1, bank 1, bank 1. This one, bank 1 sensor 1, bank 1 sensor 2. This is one bank. Okay, bank 2 sensor 1, bank 2 sensor 2, they also switching very good. Injector also show you the bank 1, bank 2, they are going good, but I see injector, this one here, they don't change a lot. The bottom one, bank 2, is not changing a lot. You see, like this one is steady, they go up and down. Okay, bank 1 like fluctuating, go all the way to 3.5, but this one it never cash 3. That also have to be in consideration. Which one's supposed to be okay? Okay, we're gonna go down. Evap, I'm not talking about it. Engine speed. Okay. But I just see here that in this, the fuel trim here is -12. So let's see if I can reset it. What's gonna happen? This one here is going too much, minus 12, and one is minus 2. Let me go here, special function, fuel system, fuel trim reset, turn the key off. I'm trying to say that, please, if you have this problem, do it again, please. Fuel trim reset, waiting for data. See, minus bank 2 is minus 3. Okay, let me see if I can reset it. Reset, I'm gonna push here. I reset to 0. Fuel trim enable. Let me go back. I don't wanna do anything there. Okay, let me start it now. Let me check, clear the code, also we already know what the code is. Yes. Clear it. See if it's there. DTC. No DTC. I'm gonna start my car. No code, no check engine light. I will go back again to see what is available. This is one of the diagnoses that you have to be familiar with. Misfire is available, but I just want to see fuel trim data, because if it's still leaning there, you see now I reset it, they look good, but hopefully one of them is gonna jump. You see, minus 12, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. Long trim bank 2, short trim bank 1. I give gas, accelerate. You see now bank 2, they're going down, but only bank 2, the short trim on bank 2, both of them they have a problem. They all minus 11, minus 12. But bank 1, minus 3, minus. Okay. Okay. Let me go back. My injectors are good, I don't know. Let me go look at my injector again. Because if the injector keep opening too much, you see injector bank 1 is open 3.5. Where do you get this command? Bank 1. I want to see bank 1, how is it? Bank 1 is minus 2, minus 1, which is reducing, but bank 2 is pushing a lot. Bank 2 is pushing a lot. That's why the injector also is, because minus he tried to pull down the system and gas, but it's still adding gas, I believe. Hopefully this explanation is okay, but I see here something. Bank 2 is like dumping gas. You see 2 and 2, minus 17, and here it goes 0, minus 17. If somebody there can correct me, please give me some idea. But here you see bank 2 is drying out, but bank 1 is, anyhow. Do you have any DTC? No DTC. P0300 is already detected, but we still have codes. Check engine light did not come yet. Okay, I'm gonna go to Misfire Data again. I'm getting the same data, Misfire. It's number 6, number 4, number 12, We're gonna look for those 3-cylinder, why they are misfiring. Is that because of the injector or the engine valves, or maybe something else? We're gonna look for that one. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is an idea. I always try to be around to this. Maybe I will not be able to give you all the fix, but I will give you the ideas how those things work, what you need to do, what is going to be up, and if there is any update after the repair, I will make the second video. Please subscribe, share, and like, and thank you for watching, and see you in another video. Muhammad Idris, Mobile Electronic Diagnostic, best car fixes.